Hello! In this video I set up and connect PIXMA G4070 series. I show the following in the video, and for the detailed review on this generation, check the video in the upper right corner of the screen. This model may have different names in different countries or regions, as found in the online manuals. The full unboxing has been already covered in another video, so let's take ink bottles and print head and do the printer setup. You can select the QR code in manuals or just follow the steps in this video to set up the printer. I set up a new printer and power it on for the first time. On the screen, select the display language. I set to English. Next, let's fill up the ink tanks. Each bottle has different shape to fit to correct ink tank. Ink caps have springs for easier opening. See different bottle shape designs. Let's fill up the color inks. When ink tanks are filled up, close the cover. Check the printer screen and confirm OK for initialization process to start. During 6 minutes, you can already start connecting the printer to local Wi-Fi network. Download Canon PRINT App and follow the on-screen instructions. The printer is found and continue with connection. Some steps may take longer than I show in the video. I select the printer to be connected to my network called Home. Because my smart device knows the network password, I do not need to type it, but you may be asked to type the selected network password. Printer is still initializing. So let's load some paper to the paper tray. As there are 2 more minutes until the printer is ready, you can start installing PC software. See more about that in the video in the upper right corner. Finally, the setup is finished. Do not skip the last part of this video to get some more information about printer settings. In the Canon PRINT App, tap the printer icon. I skip the survey and select Utilities. Only first time authenticate the printer. Follow the screen. Here are the printer utilities. As the printer is new, I will do the print head alignment, which is recommended for the quality. Find my detailed printer maintenance video on PIXMA G series in the upper right corner of the screen. A little bit of fast forward mode and alignment is complete. The same maintenance options you find via the printer menu. For a test, let's print a document. Printing is successful. Let's scan to mobile now. You can also scan to cloud using the app. Select cloud in the Canon PRINT App main menu and follow the few steps. It is easy as it does not require any registration. Find more about using the printer in the Get the Most Out of Your Printer in the online manuals. I also put on the screen the PIXMA software information, and that would be all in this video. Find more about PIXMA G series printers on my channel. Feel free to subscribe or like, as this helps me to grow and create more content in the future. Thank you for watching and sharing. Bye.